Hi everybody. I'm going to be talking about the new sight work challenges. We can now read 133 sight words in our class, and those words are from all of the past 5 sight word mission challenges that we've had this school year. So instead of adding more sight words, we are now going to be really focusing on all the 133 words we've already can read. That also goes along with the spelling words that we've been going over. So not only are we expected to be able to read all the 133 sight words, but we're also expected to learn the spelling words. There's a lot of really good resources that you can learn these sight words from and practice at night, because I know sometimes it gets boring to read off of a list. Also, it's not very good just to remember the orders from the list. So I really recommend going and reading through all of the sight words that I've given you on the paper. And if you struggle with any, maybe put a little circle, put a check mark, and then maybe make flashcards. Flashcards are a really good resource to use when studying different words so you can recognize the word instead of remembering the order. There's also a really good website that I recommend. It's called thesedolcewords.net. This is what the website looks like. When you click on it, click on either Dolce Pre-Primer, Dolce Primer, or first grade words. These are the 3 categories that we have now been able to read. If you really feel like you want to push a challenge and these 3 categories are easier, go to the second grade words. That would be awesome if you can keep reading more. So I'll click on the first grade games. There's a ton of good games. There are matching games and listening, and ones for spelling. Spelling's not necessary, but if you want to be able to smell these words, that'd be good. But all these games will really help you be able to learn the words even better. So let me go over what the next tests are going to be similar to. We took a similar test assessment, and it was actually these exact 10 questions on our midterm. The students will be given a worksheet that looks exactly like this, where they have to read the sentences by themselves and pick the word that goes in the blank. For example, look blank the pretty dog. Students are going to have to be able to read look blank the pretty dog, and then have to determine whether it's look at the pretty dog or look has the pretty dog. Obviously, in this case, it's look at the pretty dog. Students will have to be able to read all these words by themselves and be able to write the words in the blank. These sentences are not going to be the ones on the test. They will be brand new sentences, and all the students, it will be their first time seeing them. We will be going over and reading a lot of these type of sentences in class. However, I want to emphasize that when it comes to the test day, it will be the students' first time seeing these words. So please make sure your students can read all of these words and that they can also read the spelling words that we've done. Spelling words that we've done, I'm going is from short A, short A, E, I, O, U, so all short vowels, and then all the long vowels that we have been doing so far, so it's A, I, and O. And then as the weeks go on, we're going to be learning more spelling words, so those words will start popping up in these sight word challenges. Right now, I have a feeling we're going to be doing one of these sight word challenges per month. However, when the year starts ticking down to the end and the students are able to read better, I might do these bi-weekly. So they won't be as long and as often as spelling tests are, but they do count as a bigger grade than spelling tests because there's not as many of them. So if you have any questions about the new sight word mission, please let me know. I'm willing to talk to you about it. Also, if your child is struggling with sight words, please keep practicing them with them every night. Make flashcards, have them play these games on the website. Again, on the website, we have only gone over pre-primer words, primer words, and first grade words. There's a lot of really great resources on this, including the word list and flashcards. So if you want instead to make flashcards yourself, that's awesome. You can write it down or you can print them out. So if you want to print out the pre-primer, primer, and first grade words. Those are what we're going on. Best of luck with this new challenge. I'm really excited, and the kids are too. It's kind of like solving a puzzle. So it will really show how much your student can read and understand English words.